Welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we will explore how to compute updated ratings between opponents using the ELO rating system. This system is commonly used in games like chess to rank players based on their performance. Let's get started. The ELO system updates player ratings based on their match results, favoring underdogs when they perform better than expected. Our program handles two or more players, iterating through pairs to calculate updated scores. The ELO function calculates ratings for two players, or iteratively updates ratings for multiple players. Key computations include the expected score formula and updating ratings based on match results and the K-factor parameter. The ELO system computes the expected score for each player, adjusts their ratings based on the results, and iterates through pairs for multiple player matches. The final output is an array of updated strings. In the two-player example, both players start with the same rating and equal chances, but the winner gains 16 points while the loser loses 16. For four players, the program iteratively calculates pairwise ratings until all matches are processed. The ELO system is widely used in games and sports to rank players. Its applications extend to skill assessment, matchmaking, and competitive environments where accurate ranking is crucial. In summary, the ELO rating system provides a dynamic and fair way to rank players. By computing expected scores and adjusting ratings, it ensures accurate rankings over time. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.